Effective communication is essential for advancing sustainable practices, and landscape architects play a crucial role in climate change mitigation by implementing natural climate solutions that capture carbon within ecosystems. However, a lack of accessible resources makes it challenging for landscape architects to effectively communicate these benefits to communities and developers working toward climate goals. The carbon sequestration field guides, developed by MKSK, aim to bridge this gap by providing concise, accessible, and visually engaging summaries. Designed for a diverse audience, these guides effectively convey essential information on key principles, strategies, and actions for designing, installing, and managing landscapes to enhance carbon sequestration. As the climate crisis intensifies, the need for scalable, effective carbon sequestration grows. However, adoption relies on communication that transforms scientific data into real-world applications. The field guides meet this challenge with a strategic communication approach using diverse channels: print, digital, social media, and community outreach. Key components include digital media campaigns and downloadable guides that show the impact of carbon capture efforts, targeted education sessions to engage developers, planners, and other decision-makers, and collaborative partnerships with universities, nonprofits, and agencies to extend reach and impact. This initiative has produced measurable outcomes, such as greater public awareness of sequestration techniques and increased community participation in climate solutions. By simplifying science into practical tools, the field guides empower people to act, proving that communication is a crucial bridge between sustainability knowledge and real-world change. Congratulations to MKSK.